Hello everyone, in this tutorial I will show you how to install Arch Linux. So you can finally brag to your Discord friends that you use Arch BTW. First step is to check for an internet connection. Without internet, you cannot win an argument on Reddit. As you can see, we have internet connection. Now I'm checking the names of my internal drives. In my case it's VDA. This is very important because if you use the wrong drive, you can lose all your data. Now I'm creating a new file system. This will be where my system is installed on. The first partition is the boot drive. This should be 1024 capital M lowercase I, capital B. The code should be EF00. This will tell the system that it's the boot drive. I will name this boot. Next is the swap drive. I allocated 4 GB, and 8200 is the code. The final drive, you just press enter until you reach the name. I named this home. The system will automatically use the rest of the free space. Now as you can see, there are 3 partitions. Now, we just need to mount them. The first partition, in my case VDA3, will have an ext4 file system created on it. You can use other file systems like BTRFS. The next step is making VDA2 a swap partition. The boot partition will be made into a FAT32 file system. Now I will be mounting the home partition to the mount directory. Then I need to mount the boot partition into the mount boot directory. I also need to make the directory as it does not exist. Finally I will enable the swap partition. Now you can see that all my partitions are fully mounted. Next we will be installing the Linux kernel. You can use the LTS version if you need your server software to age a long time, or the Zen kernel if you want optimizations for gaming. The Linux firmware and the base packages are also installed with this command. This next command will generate the fstab file. Then change root into the system install on your drive. Then it will update your repositories, and install the grub bootloader. Now you need to create a system password. Now you are gonna create a new user. This user will have wheel, storage and power privileges. This will be you. Then after you will create a password for this user. Now you want to ensure that anyone in the wheel group can execute any command. You want to enter a special config file. Search for %wheel. Uncomment it. Type in defaults root pw. Now you want to configure the network. First you want to install Network Manager, then DHCP/CD. After you want to check what your network input is called. Mine is called ENP1S0. Then finally you want to start and enable these services. Now finally reboot your device and you have finally installed Arch Linux. You are now in an empty canvas where you can install your own desktop and applications.